Good day everyone. So my task today is to do a basic routing concept. So first, what is routing? Imagine we have a different kinds of department here in the CTU. We have the admin, the faculty, and the students. So let's think of PC1. So since it's isolated, it can reach another PCs. It can only talk to itself. So routing enables to open its network to another PCs to communicate. First, let's do the IP addressing. So IP addressing is assigning the right identification or the IP address to its own network. So first, let's give an example, the R1. Let's use this IP address as given here and also the subnet mask. So first, let's go to the CLI. Let's enable first. Enable. Configure terminal. And so let's add their IP address. Let's no shutdown. So then do the same to all from R1, R2, R3 to switches to PCs. So now let's do the static routing. So static routing enables the router to reach its target devices. As for example here, like we have the 192.168.2.0. So to do that, let's open the router, do go here in static and just add its network addresses here. We have the network and the mask, subnet mask. So I added already the 192.168.2.0 via 10.0.0.2. So after finishing the static routing, let's check if they can reach other pieces. So let's try PC1 to PC3. So let's bring desktop. So it was successful from PC1 to PC3. Now let's do the PC3 to PC2. So it was successful. So now let's try and see what happens if we shut down one serial network. So let's go again to the serial. So let's say enable. Then now let's try to pin. So now clearly see here that PC2 is not reachable. So what's gonna do again is let's enable again. So now let's try to enable again. So it's clearly see here that it was reachable again. The RIP version 2 for them to communicate automatically to each other. So go to router, just go to config and click the RIP. So here I already did the network addresses here 1, 2, 3, and so on to others. Just add them one by one. Just make sure that each router has all the network addresses. So now for the last task, let's try them to connect again to each one's network. So let's start first the PC2 to PC1 and PC3. So let's close. So it was reachable. Let's do that three. Okay, that's all everyone. Thank you.